Hello everyone, this is Shan Heather, and in this video I'm going to show you how to insert the SIM cards on your iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, 16 Pro or the 16 Pro Max. But before we start, if you're new to this channel, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. So here is the SIM card tray ejector pin. You will need a nano SIM card as the iPhone 16, 16 Pro Plus, whatever iPhone 16 series smartphone you got comes with a nano SIM card slot. So here on the left side of the device you can see there is a SIM card tray provided with this tiny hole here. So now what you have to do, you need to insert this SIM card tray ejector pin in this tiny hole and apply a bit of pressure like this. And then it will pop out. Now just take it out. So now you just need to follow the shape of this SIM card here with the shape of this SIM card tray slot. So here you can see it's not going to accommodate this SIM card, and here on this side, on the bottom side, there is a slot kind of thing. So now you just need to follow the shape of this SIM card with this SIM card tray slot. It will go like this. You can see it is fitting perfectly. Now all you have to do is put this SIM card tray back in your smartphone. Now you need to be careful that the hole of this SIM card tray must align with the hole of this SIM card tray slot. So just put it like this, and then you can slide it in. You can see it is totally inside. Now if I go to my smartphone, here at the top you can see right next to the Wi-Fi logo, now the signal is coming. We are getting 3 bars right now. If we go to the settings and then if we go to the cellular, here you can see the name of my service provider. There's the option for the Wi-Fi calling. Right now it is off. If you want to turn it on, you can just tap on this and then tap on this slider and then tap on enable. To enable the Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone 16 series smartphone, you can turn on off the cellular data based on your preference. You can turn on off the roaming, and you can select the preferred network for your voice and data, whether you would like to go with the 5G or 4G LTE, and you can also select the data mode between low data mode standard and more 5G data while using the SIM card on your iPhone 16 series smartphone. So this is how you can insert SIM card on your iPhone 16, iPhone 16 Plus, 16 Pro or the 16 Pro Max. So that's all for now friends. Thanks for watching this video. If you found it useful, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.